What is going on, YouTube family? I am going to be investing in a new book. It's called the Anabolic Cookbook from Greg Doucette. If you don't know who he is, look him up on YouTube and Instagram. He is a bodybuilder who is also a coach. He's made cookbooks, workout videos, workout programs that he sells, and he has a new cookbook that just came out. It's called the Anabolic Cookbook 2.0. It's $150. It has great recipes inside it, a lot more than the first one, but I'm going to start off with the first one to let you know how it goes and let you know what kind of results that I get from it. The book is, I believe, $69 for a digital book. It's a little expensive, but at the same time, it's more expensive to not get the results that you want, and you have to know your weaknesses. It's either training, rest, or nutrition. It's one of the three. And for me, I would say that it comes down to nutrition. So I'm going to be giving those a try and also giving you guys some tips and tell you how I do on it, what I learn, and if it's worth it for you to get it as well. Again, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out Greg Doucette on Instagram and YouTube as well. And I hope you guys are doing great, amazing, getting your training in, doing what you can, being healthy. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Look out for that review coming soon. Peace.